Hello, ESL students. I am so excited that we get to be back to school and back to learning. I want to show you some things that I want you to do for this first week that we're back in school. I mean, look through my ESL Canvas page. So when you come to the home page, it's going to look something like this. I'm using second grades as an example, but third grade and first grade, yours will look like this as well. So when you come in, you'll see here that you have our mascot, the West Hills Wolves, and here is a link. Anytime the arrow turns into a hand, that means that there's something there for you to click and discover. So one of the first things you can do is click on Meet Mrs. Davis. So when you click on that, it will take you to a video and it will tell you a little bit about me. Okay, so I want you to check in that. You'll see some pictures of my family. This little house will always take you back to the home page, so you'll need to click on that. Then also, this will take you to the week's lessons. So whenever you click on me heading to school, it will take you to where you'll find your lessons, and I'll have our lessons ready by date. Okay, the home button, HOME, will always take you back home too. But what I want you to spend some time doing for this first week as we come back to school is visiting the virtual classroom. There's lots of different little links here. I've got Starfall up here for you, so if you click on the alphabet, it'll take you to Starfall. I've got Epic linked right here, so you can go to Epic, and here's our class code that you can put in when it asks for that. Down here, this little mouse has ABC Mouse, so you should be able to get to it as well. And there's some other little things that are in here as well. The computer will always take you back to Canvas, and Miss Basner has a neat relaxing room, and that's going to be right here. So I want you to discover those things. So spend some time this week playing with these, looking at these, and then we'll get into our lessons next week. I'm so glad that we're back.